Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are kicking off a brand new series all about Postman, an incredibly powerful tool for anyone working with the APIs. Whether you are a developer, tester, or just curious about APIs, stick around because this tool can really make your life easier. Let's get started. First, I will brief you about what is Postman. So, Postman is a powerful API client that makes it easy for developers to create, share, test, and document APIs. It offers a user-friendly interface to interact with the APIs by sending requests and receiving responses, which is crucial for modern web development. Think of it as a digital toolkit for interacting with APIs. With Postman, you can quickly create requests, organize them into collections, and take advantage of various features to make sure your APIs are functioning properly. In the next slide, I will explain you about the key features of Postman. Using Postman, we can construct requests easily. Second is the collection organization. So we can organize the multiple collection in a Postman. Also we can set the automated testing in a Postman tool. If you want to document your APIs, you can document them using the Postman. And last one is it's a collaboration tool. So we can share those API documentation or collections with our team. Now I will show you how to download the Postman. So for that, go to the Google and search for the download Postman and click on the download Postman link. So here you can see the big download button with your operating system. If you want to download it for any other operating system like Mac or the Linux, so go to the home page of the Postman. And here you can see the icons for which operating system you want to download. So I will download for the Windows. For that, click on this Windows icon and click on the Windows 64-bit download button to download the Postman. After the download finishes, head over to your download folder and double click the installer file to start the installation. So I will click on this exe file, click on the run button and just follow the instructions on the screen. It's pretty straightforward. Click next a few times and Postman will be installed on your computer. Here you can see the Postman app is installed successfully. Next step is signing up in a Postman. Here you can either sign in or create a new account. If you don't have an account, click on a create account. If you have an account, click on the sign in button. Enter your email address for the registration .teophp@gmail.com. I will set the username as teophp user and the password and click on the create free account button. After that, you will be redirected to the Postman app. On this page you can set your name. I will set it as a Lorem Ipsum and select the role as a backend developer and click on the continue button. Also check your email for a verification link which is sent by the postman after the registration, and click on it to verify your account. So I will click on this confirm my email. So the email verification is verified. That's it. You are all set to start using Postman for your API projects. If you don't want to use the Postman app which is provided by the Postman for the Windows, Mac or the Linux, you can use their website. Its link is web.postman.co. So I will log out again it from this. After logout again you can log in here using your email address or the username contact.teophp@gmail.com and the password of your account. And click on the sign in button. So from this interface as well you can run your APIs or test your APIs. But for this route the series we will use the Postman app for the API testing. And that's it from this tutorial. A quick introduction to Postman, how to download, install and sign up. In future videos we will dig deeper into how to use Postman for various tasks like creating requests, organizing collection and automating tests. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there is something specific you would like to cover next. See you in the next video.